Welcome to the channel 10 Minutes for Supply Chain. I am your host and will be talking about some good concept of supply chain management which you can apply easily in this practical world and get benefit out of it. I am masters in supply chain management and having several years of experience in implementing business planning solutions for the Fortune 500 companies. Currently, I am giving services in one of the planning software company. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to the channel 10 Minutes for Supply Chain. Here today we are going to discuss what are the factors which are affecting the inventory level at DC. It could be demand planning or it could be supply planning. It is quite confusing to point out by which factor inventory is changing. It's quite confusing when both of the stakeholders say that they are doing fine. So let us clear this confusion. For the example, we are going to take a simple e-commerce business model where vendors stores are there. They are going to provide goods to DC and then DC is providing the goods to the customer. So what could be the probable reason for high or low inventory at DC? If we consider the options from supply and demand side, it could be a transportation issue. In case of high DC inventory, the transportation issue could be at DC to customer level, and in case of low inventory, it could be from vendor to DC level. Apart from transportation issue, there could be poor delivery planning or there can be COVID-19 protocols as well, so that there may be some lockdowns or some restricted areas where supply could not happen. If we see the demand issues, it could be a poor forecast accuracy. In case of over forecasting, DC inventory could be high, and in case of under forecasting, DC inventory could be low. Whatever forecast we are going to generate, that will drive our inventory targets. In case of over forecasting, high inventory targets will be there. So the inventory at DC will be high. Being a DC manager or a supply chain manager, we need to diagnose the issue. Where is the problem? Let us check. To diagnose the issue, we are going to check 3 KPIs. One is forecast accuracy, another is inventory target, and third one is OTIF, which is on time in full. OTIF says, are we able to fulfill the customer demand on time as per the request time and in full quantity, whatever quantity customer has asked for. So if the forecast accuracy is high and we are able to fulfill our inventory target 100%, then still we are having low OTIFs, which means we have the inventory at DC level but we are not able to supply it to customer. It's a supply issue. The second thing is, let's say we are having a low forecast accuracy but we are having high inventory targets, and that is why our OTIFs are high. but still we are experiencing high level of inventory. It can be an issue of over forecast, where accuracy is low but inventory is high. Opposite to this, there can be low forecast accuracy and low inventory targets, and that is why low OTIF level. This can happen due to under forecast issue. Here we are talking about high inventory at DC, so for our discussion we will not talk about under forecast case. Let us understand the concept. Again, assuming there is a supply chain from vendor to DC and then DC to retail, and we forecasted correctly that there will be a demand of 200 unit. This 200 forecast will drive the inventory target of 200 at DC. Customer come and ask for 200 unit. Then 200 unit will come from vendor to DC as per the lead time. And then somehow DC is not able to provide the 200 units to the retailer. Then the units are available at DC but not able to reach customer. Then it's a supply issue. Here the forecast accuracy is correct, inventory level targets are fully fulfilled, but still OTIFs are low. Due to low OTIF, the customer will go to the another retail shop. Now let us understand the demand issue. Again, assuming the same supply chain from store to DC and then DC to retail. Now we are doing a over forecasting of 500 unit, that is deriving our inventory targets to 500 unit. Again, a customer come and ask for 200 units. As per the lead time, the unit will go from vendor to DC, and then DC to retail only 200 unit will be moving, as the demand is of 200 only. Then what is happening here is customer demands are getting fulfilled, but still 300 units are extra remain in the DC, which will rise the level of inventory in the DC. So it's a demand issue. Here the forecast accuracy is wrong, we are over forecasting. Inventory is up to the target, whatever we have targeted for, and the OTIF levels are also high. Still we are having a high level of inventory at DC, which is in this case of 300 unit. So let us conclude this. In a nutshell, we can say that low level of inventory can be defined as an issue by under forecasted demand in case of apt supply. For the issue of high level of inventory at DC could be because over forecasted demand, or it could be poor supply planning from DC to the customer. Kindly subscribe and like the video if you found this video informative. Thank you.